I've learned over the years of doing this who's cool with using the coupons, and I know who be tripping, acting like I'm spending their money, okay? Hey my Sky Savers, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Kim and this is World of Sky, a world for women and moms to talk all things money, saving money, making money, and managing your money. And today we're talking all about couponing at Walmart. These are tips, tricks, and hacks that can help you successfully coupon at Walmart. Before we jump into the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you have not done so already. Trust me girl, your purse, your wallet, and your bank account will thank you. Okay, so I love to coupon at Walmart. The prices are already low, then you use a coupon on top of it so you're good. However, I am very picky about what Walmarts I go to. I only go to certain Walmart. I mean, for one, I like to know the layout of the store. I like to know where things are at so I can get in and I can get out. And also the employees, specifically the employees' attitudes, are not all created equal at Walmart. They just ain't created equal. You got some stores, you got some employees within those stores that have a great attitude, especially when it comes to couponing. And then you have other stores where their attitude is simply trash, okay? And those are the stores that I like to avoid. Comment down below and let me know if you're like that too. Like, do you only go to certain locations of that store? I know I can't be the only one that's doing this, okay? I would drive past maybe 2 or 3 Walmarts to get to the one that I like to go to. May sound a little extreme, but them attitudes, I'm telling you, them attitudes at Walmart, they different at every location. So I go to the location where I know people are okay with me couponing. Also, if you're not a Walmart girl, that's okay. I got you, okay? If you're a Target girl instead, I have a whole video on tips on how you can coupon at Target, so you may want to check that video out as well. Okay, so now let's jump into things that you need to know to coupon at Walmart. Remember, at Walmart, the prices are already low, right? So you add a manufacturer coupon to those low prices, and you also add rebate apps to those prices. You can score some items for really cheaply at Walmart, or you can even get a lot of stuff for free. So the first thing you need to know about couponing at Walmart is that Walmart does not, I repeat, they do not use or have digital coupons. Okay, so they have an app like a lot of the other stores, but they don't house any coupons within their app, okay? Like Target or Dollar General, Walgreens, CVS, all of those stores have apps that actually have coupons within them that you can use digitally. Walmart ain't got that, okay? Which means at Walmart, you can only use paper coupons, so the coupons that you get out of the newspaper and the coupon inserts, or you can use printable coupons that you can access online, print them off at home, and bring them into the store to use. So those are the options that you have. There are no digital options at Walmart. The second thing that you need to know is that you can use coupons that are valued higher than the actual cost of the item at Walmart. And that will result in you either getting the cash back or using that difference to pay for the rest of your transaction. Yep, girl, they're gonna give you cash back at Walmart if your coupon is higher. Okay, so for example, if you're buying a deodorant that is $2, but you have a coupon for $3 off, Walmart is going to give you that $1 back, okay? Or apply that $1 to the remainder of your transaction if you have other items that you're purchasing at that time. In the couponing world, that is called overaging. Y'all, it's amazing. I love overages, okay? It's like what? Like what? You gonna pay me? You gonna pay me to buy this item? Like, who doesn't want that? Okay, so not every store offers overage, but Walmart does. So you want to make sure that you are taking advantage of that. Also, if you're interested in learning about which stores offer coupon overage and which stores do not, check out my free couponing policy guide. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It will walk you through every single store and will tell you if they offer overage or not. There's also a bunch of other information pertinent to couponing at each one of those stores. Again, I will leave the link down below in the description box if you're interested. Girl, it's free. Go ahead and grab it. Number 3, another way to save is to use a manufacturer coupon plus a rebate offer. There are several different rebate apps out there. Some of the more common ones and the ones that I use are Ibotta, Checkout 51, and Fetch Rewards. They're all free, okay? They're all free to download from your app store. You need to just create an account and then you can start saving money. And not only can you claim offers for items that you've already used coupons on, so you've used the coupon in the store, you check out, and then you log into the app to get additional money back, okay? So you can use it for the items that you've couponed on, but you can also use these rebate apps for items that you didn't have coupons for. So they have several different rebate offers out there, so maybe you didn't have a coupon, but this is just an additional way that you can still save some money on that item. If you're interested in signing up for any of those free rebate apps, I'll leave my link down below. Check it out if that interests you. Also, if you're enjoying this video thus far, you've learned something helpful to help you out when you're couponing at Walmart, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Number 4 is that you can use coupons on Walmart clearance items, as well as a lot of times the coupons will match to the items that you find in like the trial or the travel section at Walmart. So you know that Walmart's clearance prices are already good, okay? Then you put a coupon on top of that. Girl, it's lit, okay? It's lit in the couponing world when you can do this. A lot of times you can score really good deals on hair care, makeup, baby items, and a lot of other things. Also, you'll want to make note that Walmart's clearance is usually marked down within the first 5 days of the month, okay? So if you're looking to coupon and use your coupons on top of their clearance items, you're going to have the largest selection of clearance items if you go within those first 5 days of the month, okay? If you're going towards the middle of the month, end of the month, there may not be a huge selection. Also, 2 other things to know, and they do not just apply to Walmart. The first thing is always take all of your coupons with you. Take all of your coupons with you at all times, okay? PSA, you heard it here, because what happens if you find an item on clearance, but you ain't got your coupon with you? You can't use it, okay? So if you go home and get your coupon and come back, it may be gone, or maybe you won't even have the opportunity to come back to the store that week. So take all of your coupons with you. Now, you do want to have them organized and separated out by the ones that you know you're going to get these items, right? And then just have all the rest of the coupons with you. The second thing is always check the clearance aisle in every single store that you go in. If you're couponing, you're looking to score deals for cheap, for free, right? So always check the clearance items no matter what store you go in. Okay, number 5, let's talk BOGO, or buy one, get one free coupons. Walmart does accept BOGO coupons, but they do have some restrictions that you'll want to be aware of in order for you to use them. The first thing is that a coupon cannot be a percentage off coupon. So like a buy one, get one 50% off. Walmart in their system, they ain't trying to calculate no percentages off, okay? So you're not going to be able to use those specific BOGO coupons at Walmart. The second thing is that they won't let you use a coupon on the second item of a BOGO deal if it results in you receiving overage. So remember we talked about what overage was before. If it's going to result in that, they won't let you use it. And the last thing they won't let you do is they won't let you use 2 BOGO coupons on 2 separate items that will make both of them free, okay? They do require that you make a purchase for the one item in order to get that second item free. But other than those restrictions, you can use BOGO coupons at Walmart. And the last tip I have for you is to keep the Walmart couponing policy on hand when you are couponing at Walmart. You know, it's Walmart. It's Walmart. They're a little cray-cray, and that does apply with you're using coupons too. Walmart does have a coupon policy, and it is pretty straightforward, which is nice. But in their policy, they include that the final decision is at the discretion of the manager. So that could be a good or a bad thing, okay? So again, that's why I only go to certain Walmarts and I only go to certain cashiers. I've learned over the years of doing this who's cool with using the coupons, and I know who be tripping, acting like I'm spending their money, okay? I avoid those cashiers. You can also do self-checkout, but sometimes depending on your store, how they have the system set up, it will trigger a cashier to have to come over to clear your coupons. Some stores do not have that. So again, you got to do some trial and error, find out where the best store is to coupon at. But anywho, know the policy and have it ready to pull up if you need it. You can find the Walmart couponing policy in that free couponing policy guide that I talked about earlier. Again, the link is in the description box if you need it. It's got Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. Lots of different stores, lots of different information that you'll need to know when couponing at these different stores. Okay, so those are my 6 tips today for couponing at Walmart. If you have any other questions about couponing at Walmart, comment down below and I will answer them for you. Before you go, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you do not miss any future uploads from me. I do upload new videos every single week, and they're pertaining to saving you money, making you money, managing your money. That is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Happy saving.